The 2018 Mazda 3's infotainment system, also known as Mazda Connect, can sometimes freeze, become unresponsive, or experience software glitches. Resetting the system can resolve these issues. There are primarily two types of resets: a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot restarts the system without deleting your personal data, while a factory reset erases all user data and restores the system to its original settings. Performing a factory reset yourself can void your warranty or potentially damage the system, so consult a Mazda dealer before doing so. To perform a soft reboot on your 2018 Mazda 3's infotainment system, first locate the volume power knob on the center console. With the car on, press and hold this knob for approximately 10 seconds until the screen goes black. The system will then automatically reboot. This process will not erase any of your saved settings or personal data. If the soft reboot does not fix the issue, consider a hard reset by disconnecting the battery or seeking professional assistance from a Mazda dealership for a factory reset or software update. Check for technical service bulletins related to infotainment issues, as Mazda may have released updates to address common problems.